AZIMOM Bluetooth Control. The AZIMOM Bluetooth Control is a modern and versatile product that offers a seamless user experience. Featuring a compact design with dimensions of 4LL-X4WX3H, this device is perfect for any setting, whether it be at home or in the office. One of the standout features of the AZIMOM Bluetooth Control is its ability to connect wirelessly to various devices, making it incredibly convenient for users. With just a simple pairing process, you can easily connect and control your devices without the hassle of tangled wires. The multicolor options available with this product add a touch of vibrancy to any environment. Whether you prefer a calm white light or want to set the mood with different colors, the AZIMOM Bluetooth Control allows you to effortlessly adjust the lighting to suit your preferences. Built with high-quality plastic material, this product is not only durable, but also aesthetically pleasing. The sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication.